Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2000 Toyota Camry with the 4-cylinder. If this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up button, really helps me out a lot. Comment, subscribe if you want to. First thing we're going to do is get in the car, turn it on, turn your AC on, and turn your blower all the way on high with it all the way in the coldest setting, and then pop your hood. Alright, now this is your recharge port right here. So we're going to unscrew that. Be careful not to lose that cap. Now we're going to take our AC recharge tool here. We're going to connect this to the port. Push that down. And then we're going to squeeze the trigger. Oscillate the can between 12 and 3 o'clock. Keep doing this. What you want to see, you want to see this needle right here stay all the way in the green. When it pops back up like that, it means that it doesn't have enough coolant in it, or refrigerant. And you just need to fill it up some more, so that the compressor doesn't keep popping on and off. We're gonna keep adding here. I think you get the idea. I'll keep filling this up. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below. I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description below so that you can get some stuff if you want to off from Amazon. If you do, it helps me out a little bit. I appreciate it. Have a good one, guys, and stay cool.